Espoma Organic Chicken Manure is one of those old school garden secrets that still works like a charm because it's simple, natural, and honestly, it just makes gardening easier. This is a ready-to-use organic fertilizer, so there's no mixing, no prep, no mess. Just open the bag and feed your garden. What I love is how versatile it is. You can use it on flowers like annuals, perennials, and roses, vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, squash, and lettuce. And it's also great for trees and shrubs. It's heat treated and granulated, which means it spreads easily and evenly. No clumps, no weird sludge, nothing sketchy. It's a 5-3-2 fertilizer analysis with 8% calcium, and it has no additives, just dehydrated, heat-treated chicken manure. For trees and shrubs, use it in spring and fall. For flowers and vegetables, you can use it monthly during the growing season. Sprinkle it around the drip line, water it in, and you're done. Consistency is my standard, and a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.